Hello and welcome to this Moodle video on adding a Twitter feed to your unit. What this means is you may follow someone on Twitter or have a Twitter account that you'd like to link into your Moodle site to make the site more dynamic and keep it up to date. So first of all, I'm going to turn editing on, and then down the side in the right hand column there are the blocks. I'm going to add what's called a HTML block. Moodle will then process this and create a block, and as you scroll down again you should see one that says new HTML block in brackets, which means it needs to be configured. So click the little cog icon and configure new HTML block. When this loads, you'll need to give it a block title, so I'm going to call it Twitter feed. However, you may like to give it a more descriptive element to that and maybe list what it is you're actually going to be doing. Now I'm going to go to Twitter itself, which is located at twitter.com, and I've already got an account, but you may need to create one for the purposes of this tutorial. I'm going to go to the cog icon here and go to settings. Then in the left hand menu there is something that's listed as widgets. I've already created a few widgets, but I'm going to create a brand new one to show this off. Now the configuration is set up by default to my own personal Twitter account. However, you may want to use one from another particular source, like you saw in my list there, sort of @Guardian would give the lists of the Guardian's newspapers' Twitter feeds. I can set the height and the theme. I'm going to change mine to dark. And once I'm happy with the size, which I can actually change later on, I'm going to change that to 250 for the moment. I'm going to click Create Widget. And then it gives me a block of code that I need to copy. So I'll right click and click Copy. Or I could use Control-C as a hotkey. And then within the content area, what I'm going to do is expand my text editor, and then click on the two sort of arrows that come up as Edit HTML block. Paste in my code that I just got given and save those changes. I'm going to turn editing off now, and what will happen in the right hand column, you'll see the Twitter feed block, and I can then scroll down all the tweets coming from that particular address that I made the widget for. Thank you very much for watching this particular video.